LMR, LMR, yeah, LMR, yeah, that's the correct way to say it, lot money ratio, the most advanced money management mode in the client EA. So it might be some kind of difficult thing to understand this for some users, but if you don't understand it, then chances are you don't need it. Yeah, so just keep working. Yeah. So client EA will ignore differences in account sizes or leverage differences, and when the client EA is using LMR mode, yeah, lot money ratio mode, it will also use the MMV and the LMR value parameters. So for this one, it needs two parameters. So in the MMV, you set the lot size, and in the LMR value, you set the money amount. So here's how it works. Let's say you set MMV to 0.2 and the LMR value to 1000. With these parameter values, the client EA will risk 0.2 lots, kind of not risk, maybe it will use a like 0.2 lot size for every $1,000. So if the client account size, for example, is 5,500, the client EA will risk one full lot size per trade. It will multiply it by 5. And why by 5, you ask? It is because the client EA will create this multiplier by dividing the client account size by the LMR value and then take only the whole number part, which is 5 in this case. So 5,500 divided by 1,000 is like 5.5, but it will take only the whole number part, which is 5 in this case. Yeah. So here's another example. Let's say MMV is 0.05 and the LMR value is 100. With these parameter values, the client EA will risk 5 microlots for every every $100 in the account balance. So if the client account size is again 5,500, yeah, the client EA will risk 2.75 lot per trade. It will get the 55 multiplier. And why 55? It's because the client EA will create this multiplier by dividing the client account size by the LMR value. Yeah, so 5,500 divided by 100 is 55. And then takes only the whole number, which is 55 in this case. Yeah, so the lot size becomes 2.75.